Good afternoon, this is Justin from Seachoice. We had a question posed to demonstrate using this 2,500 pound heavy duty drop leg trailer jack to get my boat off the hitch. So here we are today. I'm going to demonstrate how I would get this off my hitch. As you can see, unlike last time, we actually have my boat on the trailer. So you'll get a demonstration of what it's like to use this trailer jack under a full load of a 31-foot boat. So in terms of process, it's a really simple process. Just drop the leg, find the nearest hole. Now we're set up, and we'll simply extend the leg and raise the boat up. All right, so now I have this above my trailer hitch. We're done. It's very easy to lift this thing up. Not really much work at all. Very smooth operation. Had no issues. If you have any more questions, please post below. And if you like our videos, please subscribe.